Bonjour. Today, I guarantee you that you will be able to say 3 complex sentences in French by the end of this video. And that is a promise. Today, we are going to make 3 full sentences using my special building block methodology. So how will it work? I will show you a block with options in them. So all you have to do is select your options and put them next to each other to make a sentence. Now, here is the first block. Les animaux. Let's learn a few animals. They are going to come very useful in our building of sentences. Le lion, that's the lion. Le tigre, the tiger. La girafe, the giraffe. Le singe, that's the monkey. L'éléphant, that's the elephant. Le crocodile, that's a crocodile. Le serpent, that's the snake. Et l'ours, and that's the bear. Okay, so we are going to use this as the subject of our sentence or sentences, okay? What I would like to add now is colors to describe them, okay? So here we go. Here are the colors, and these are the colors I want to match with my animals. It could be marron, which is brown, noir, which is black, beige, c'est beige, vert ou verte, jaune, blanc ou blanche, gris ou grise, and to finish, orange, okay? So blanc is white, jaune is yellow, gris is grey, and orange is orange, and vert is green. Now, what I've added is an E at some of these colors. And the reason being is that colors are adjectives. And in France, in French, all adjective has to agree in gender and number with the noun it reflects. So if the word we're using is a le, is a masculine, then we keep the adjective without an E as it is, okay? However, if the word is feminine, then we will have to add the feminine form of that adjectives, hence verte or blanche or grise. Sometimes it has already an E, which means it's used as it is, whether you're using a masculine word or a feminine word. Okay? Okay. Okay. Of course, you can add your own colors if you prefer, but remember to add the right gender and number to that adjective. So, if we put the noun and the adjective, in this case the color, it becomes something like this. L'éléphant gris. An elephant is masculine. Okay, you can't see that, but it's masculine. It has L apostrophe, un éléphant, an elephant is masculine. So, we're using gris, the masculine version of that color. So, l'éléphant gris. L'éléphant gris. What about you? Choose an animal and add the color. Okay, do it now. Like now. Bravo. Okay, so if the word is feminine, and add the feminine color. La girafe verte. Okay, you don't have many green giraffes, but just in case. Okay, let's add a third block to it. Here we go. Now, this third block is qui est, who is. Okay, so we're introducing the pronom relative here, who is, qui est, and we are going to add more adjectives, not colors, but look at the list of these adjectives, okay, that may describe these animals. So not only with the colors of their coat or fur, but also how they are. Féroce, ferocious. Lourd ou lourde, heavy. Grand ou grande, tall. Énorme, that's enormous, ginormous. Petit, petite. Gentille, gentille, so petit, small, and gentille is kind or nice, it's sweet. Doux or douce, and that can be sweet or soft. Dangereux ou dangereuse, okay, so dangerous, okay. Now remember that the second option I gave you is the option of the feminine adjectives, okay? So we've got more adjectives. We would like to put a sentence like this one. L'éléphant gris qui est énorme. So can you see what I'm doing? The grey elephant who is or which is or that is enormous. And then we will carry on in a minute with more complex sentences, with more complexity in the sentence, if that makes sense. Now, so l'éléphant, and then I put the color. Now, one thing you have to realize is in France, the color always comes after the noun, okay? So try to start your sentence. Go for it. So take an animal, take the color, and then you say qui est, and then take an adjective. Well done. I'm already super impressed. Okay, let's continue our sentence by adding a verb. Here we go. Here's another block. And the verb is, or the verbs are as follows. Mange, eats. Court, runs. Dort, sleeps. Se lave, washes, or washes themselves, or himself, or itself, or herself. Nage, swim. Grimpe, climbs, marche, walks, and galope, gallops. So, we are going to add this verb to the sentence I've just built. L'éléphant gris qui est énorme se lave. Can you see what we are doing? So the grey elephant who is enormous is washing. Then we need another block, okay? So, I would like you to make your sentence, start your sentence. I want you to build it up with me. Have a look. Well, let's do it together. There you go. Qui est, and then your verb. Perfect. Okay, let's finish by one last block. Here we go. And here we are adding a place, un complément de lieu. This is what we call it in French. So we could say that this is happening dans la jungle, in a jungle, dans la forêt, in the forest, dans le lac, in the lake, dans la rivière, in the river, dans l'arbre, in the tree, dans l'herbe, in the grass, dans la mare, in the pond, dans les feuilles, in the leaves. Okay? Now we can make this sentence. Have a look at this. L'éléphant gris qui est énorme se lave dans la rivière. Cool, isn't it? So now try to make your own sentence. I will give you a minute to do that. Have a look again at the tables. Make your own sentence now. Bravo! I am super, super, super proud of you. So using this table, you can make a sentence. You can even add more colors or adjectives to one animal. Let's have a look at this one. Le tigre orange et jaune qui est dangereux et féroce mange dans la jungle. I mean, the idea is quite simple, isn't it? Look, the orange and yellow tiger, who is dangerous and ferocious, eats in the jungle. Now, I would love to see your sentence, so please leave a comment. I would love to read those sentences, okay? I would like you to feel confident that you can build a decent sentence and show off. Why not? Now, remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on content like this. That's it for me. Au revoir. À bientôt. Bisous, bisous. Salut.